Welcome, food enthusiasts. We're excited to introduce you to AFMP, your go-to social channel for an array of healthy recipes inspired by famous cuisines from around the world. Our special focus is on Middle Eastern cuisine, perfect for busy professionals who want to cook at home but crave restaurant-quality taste. With our easy-to-follow recipes and accessible ingredients, you'll be whipping up delicious meals in no time. Join us and elevate your home cooking game. Let's dive into it.
Chinese eggplant. Fewer seeds, thinner skin, cooks faster, rich in fiber, potassium, low calories. Chinese eggplant. A versatile vegetable that can be used in a variety of dishes. Chinese eggplant, a healthier choice for your next stir-fry. Chinese eggplant.
From Afsan farm kitchen to your table, AFK brings the world's flavors to life, one healthy, home-cooked recipe at a time. Farm-to-table mastery, culinary artistry in the farmhouse kitchen, a journey to naturally delicious cooking. Unlock a world of knowledge, inspiration, and entertainment by subscribing to our channel today and join a community of curious minds on a journey towards limitless possibilities. Elevating natural ingredients to delicious heights. A journey to naturally delicious cooking. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Afsan Farm's Kitchen, associated with Afsan Farm Media Production.